Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to keep text behind your object. It is very easy, just open an app called Snapseed, which is a professional editor.
Let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth.
You can just apply any effect you want. I use accentuate.
Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur when you're working this hard.
Click on the option called Tool to open various options. There you will see an option called Text. In text there are various fonts to try out which are cool. I am going with line 2, which is easier to read and have bold letters. From this color palette you can change color. With this you can control opacity. Many of you didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to support me to make interesting videos like this, and don't forget to like this video. Just decrease the opacity so that you can see your object through your letters. Double tap on text to write your text. I am typing fashion, for example.
I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready.
Adjust the text according to your object.
Ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hear me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming. Ain't nothing, yeah, rookie of the year. I'ma keep it 100, cold-blooded, no budget.
Click on this button at top to see all your edits. Click on View Edits.
I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. Every single drop got me feeling awesome. I'm about to
open text and click on the brush icon. Click on Invert to see your text. Now decrease the amount to 0 to erase. Zoom into to see clearly and erase everything on your object.
One day I'll have what I want in life.
내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say.
After completing, just come back and increase opacity. You will see the text on object. It will be fine after you come out. Here is your final output, which is awesome. Thank you for everything. See you in my next video.